divide my 2 by 1000. Okay? If you cannot get it straight away, just now I say already, 2 meter is the same as 2 times 1 meter. So, if I start with 1 kilometer, this one I write at the side. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. From there, I divide both sides by 1000, I will get 1 meter is 1 out of 1000 kilometer. Then I can replace 1 meter with this one. Every 1 meter is 1 kilometer divided by 1000. This one is what I write at the side so that I know every 1 meter is 1 over 1000 when I change it from meter to kilometer. So I remember one side enough already. Every 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. But I know my equations. Then I divide both sides. Means I can get 1 meter is 1 kilometer divided by 1000. Then I can put this into this. Okay? So knowing your equations well got its benefit. Then same. I will write at the side, what is 1 second in relation to 1 hour? I don't change second first lah. I change 1 minute first. Every 1 minute is 60 seconds. That is to say, every 1 second is 1 minute divided by 60. So I also can slowly change. 1 second is 1 divided by 60 of a minute. So at my top, 2 divided by 1000 is 0.002 kilometer. Then I don't have a fraction on top. It is actually just divide. 2 divided by 1000. Okay? Then here, I have 1 divided by 60 of 1 minute. Then every 1 minute is again 1 divided by 60 of 1 second. Of 1 hour. Every 1 minute is 1 hour divided by 60. One over 60 times 1 over 60 is, you can press the whole thing into calculator, but then if I do it separately, it will be 0.0002777 kilometer per hour. .2 kilometer. Okay? If this is too complicated, got fraction inside a fraction, another way, 2 meter per 1 second, we do them separately. First, I go and find 2 meter is how much kilometer. 2 meter is 0.002 kilometer. Then I find separately 1 second is how much hour. I find separately is 0.0027777. Then I take this one divided by this one. Okay? Then it will look neater also in your working. Okay? So you can try both. See which one you are more comfortable with. Not necessarily you must put everything together like me. You can find 2 meter is how much first. Then you can find 1 second is how much. then we take this divided by this. It will give you the same answer. But you must know your conversion. Okay, can? So conversion, practice a bit to get familiar. Then this one, an aeroplane flies a distance of 6199 kilometer. The average speed for the plane is this 720 kilometer. Find the time. So this one we need to go back to our distance speed time relationship already. Okay, then distance. If you remember with this one, distance speed time relationship. Distance is speed times time. Speed is distance divided by time. Time is distance divided by speed. So from this one, it is to help me remember time is distance divided by speed. Then what are the speed and the distance that are given? 6199 is a distance. Speed is 720. So I just replace my distance with 6199. I replace my speed with 720. Then the thing to take note of is what is the unit. Okay. So in this case, I will fill in the unit. 6199 is kilometer. Then the speed is kilometer per hour. So what do you think our time that we get, what do you think is this unit? Hey, sorry, I write down the answer. Okay. So by looking at it, kilometer. This one is kilometer per hour. So kilometer and kilometer cancel away. Our time, the unit that is here is hour lah. We never put any minute inside. We never put any seconds inside. So when these two units are being used, definitely the time that we calculate that comes out will be in terms of hours. Okay. By looking at the unit, we should know this one is in hours. Then the number is 6199 divided by 720. So your calculator will tell you 8.6097. Okay, this itself is how many hours it takes. So by right, this one is the answer also. But then in this question, they want you to write in hours and minutes. They don't want it to be in hour. 8.6097 hour, then we have to convert this to hours and minutes. So it involves changing your time, hour into minute. Okay? So 8.6097. What this 8.6097 hour means? It means I have 8 hours plus 0.6097 of 1 hour. .6097 of an hour doesn't mean 60 minutes. Okay? Because this one is in decimal. Decimal is taking everything to the base of 10 and hundreds. So 0.6 of an hour, we have to multiply it. So this 0.6097 of 1 hour. Every 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we have to multiply 60 to get how much is this. Every 1 hour is 60 minutes. 0.6 0.097 of 1 hour is 36 or round off 37 minutes. Okay, this one is already in front, no decimal, so I can take it out and do it separately. 8 hours already. Then this 0.6097 of 1 hour, I want to change it to minute. That's why I take this part, everything inside the decimal, I multiply 60 minutes. Then, so these two parts, first part is 8 hours, and all this under decimal one, they will make up 37 minutes. So my answer finally is 8 hours and 37 minutes. Or 8 hours 37 minutes. Don't need to put the name. Okay, this one is back to the idea, a bit of the idea of percentage also. So for example, if I have 0.5 hour, it is 50% of 1 hour. Then if I look at my clock, 50% of a clock is 30 minutes. So 0.5 hour is 30 minutes. Okay? And in this case, 0.60 is 60% of a clock. So it is from here, I move until 60% of a clock. That's why end up this one is 37 minutes when I take 60 something percent of the clock. Okay? So decimal cannot straight away write 0.5 hour is not equals to 50 minutes. It is 30 minutes because it is 50% of 60 minutes. Okay? So this conversion must be careful. Okay, can? Okay. Again, I talk too long already. So your time to practice. Huh? Who don't understand? Huh? I cannot hear you. You still copying? Hey, what happened? Oh. Wow. It's like we are fighting against time like that. How done? Elijah? Huh? I cannot hear you. Oh, you haven't finished copying 1B. 1B, I thought you all do yourself already. Hey, and the copying part, go back look at the video lah. It's in the video. You just play until there, then you pause. It is like looking at the screen also. Okay? Quickly. Then next time, all the working, all this, that you not enough time to copy one, go home, look at the video, fast forward, pause. You all should know, right? All this video, pause, fast forward. My parents don't know what. They play YouTube video or what. they put the thing there, then they don't know how to pause. So if they go and do something else, go toilet, they will go, then let the thing continue to play. Then they come back, they miss the part, then miss song. Like last time watch television like that. Which is okay lah. Last time watch TV also like that lah. You watch TV halfway want to go toilet, you will miss some part lor. Miss some part never mind. Okay, done. Okay. Okay, we quickly do part 3 together, then I talk to you all about part 4. I will go through the main idea, then later you all can do yourself. There. Okay, for part 3, there are a few things involved. They give you the time Kelvin leaves the home. They give you the time Kelvin arrived at work. Then they tell you his speed for this journey is 40 km per hour. Then in the end they ask you to find how far. Okay? So this part here, they are actually giving you time. This part here is the speed. And finally, when they say how far, they want you to find distance. Okay? So this is the story or the question what they want you to do. So they are actually giving you a time, they're giving you a speed, then they're asking you to find the distance. But the time, they don't straight away tell you how long. They give you in terms of the time. Then you have to own self calculate how much or how long it took. So from 8:45 to 9:05. Okay, 8:45 starting time, ending time 9:05 a.m. It is not just minus and then you get your answer sometimes. So for me, I will think one from 8:45 to 9:05. First thing, in between there is a 9 a.m. Correct? Then I will think 8:45 to 9 a.m. is 15 minutes. Then 9 a.m. to 9:05 another 5 minutes. So altogether it took 20 minutes. Okay? I will break it down into timeline because next time if it crosses 12 midnight or 12 noon, then it will be even more problem. Okay, so I prefer that to break it down into the important in-betweens. 8:45 to 9:05, there is the in-between of 9 a.m. Then I look like that long. From 8:45 to 9 a.m. 15 minutes. 9 a.m. to 9:05 5 minutes. Altogether 20 minutes. Okay, so from here I know that the time it took 20 minutes. Okay, the speed that he traveled with was 40 km per hour. So when I write these two things down, I must start to see a problem already. The speed is in kilometer per hour. My time is in 20 minutes. Okay, so I cannot use these two together straight away. I must use the same unit, kilometer, hour. So this one I must first convert to hour. Okay, 20 minutes, how to convert it to hour? Divide by 60. Because it is 20, every 60 minutes is 1 hour. Okay, so again, if I cannot straight away, remember, I go to 1 hour is 60 minutes. Every 1 minute is 1/60. Every 20 minutes is 20 times 1/60. Slowly, you know your ratio, all this you can slowly work out. So once you work it out, 20 minutes is 20 divided by 60 of an hour. or simplify it to 1/3 hour. Now 40 kilometer per hour time 1/3 hour. Then I want to find distance. Every 1 hour I travel 40 kilometers. Now I only travel for 1/3 hour. So either you remember distance is speed times time, or you use the triangle DST to help you remember. Distance. So I cover the distance is speed times time. Distance equals to speed times time. Speed is 40. Time is 1/3. Kilometer per hour times hour. So my answer will be in kilometer. Sorry, kilometer per hour. 40 kilometer per hour multiply 1/3 hour. So my answer will be in hour. Kilometer. And the number is 40 divided by 3. So 13.3 kilometers. Fighting with time. Okay. Done. Then we do one more last question. Okay, a boy walks 1,000 meters at an average speed of 4 kilometers per hour. So again, after reading, you can own self note down a few things. This walk 1,000 meters itself is a distance. Then this one is a speed. Then this one again is a distance. He runs 2.2 kilometers. 10 minutes is a time. Okay, just take some notes down first. Then they ask you the time in minutes he takes to walk the 1,000 meters. So we go to the first part of the story. He walks 1,000 meters at 4 kilometers per hour. Okay, so if I only look at the first part, for my first part, the distance is 1,000 meters. The speed is 4 kilometers per hour. And they want me to find time. They want me to find time. So once I note these things down, the problem arises again. 4 kilometers per hour, but this one is in meter. When I want to use these numbers, they have to be the same unit. So the first thing I need to do is convert my 1,000 meters is actually 1 kilometer. Now that they have the same unit, kilometer per hour, they match already. We have matching unit. I want to find time. I go to my DST. Time is cover time. Then I will have distance divided by speed. So my time is equals to distance divided by speed. Distance is 1 kilometer, speed is 4 kilometers per hour. So I will get 1/4, and the unit is in kilometer. Left with hour. This one cancel away. So my unit must be in hours. I can see from here. Distance is kilometer, speed is kilometer per hour. So the time that I finally get, the only time unit that is involved here is hour. So it will be in hour. Okay? This is the answer, but they want it in minutes. 1/4 of an hour is 15 minutes. So far, so good. Okay. So this boy, first he walk, then he run. Then the running part. So now we come to the running part. For the run, the distance is 2.2 kilometers. The time is 10 minutes. And they are asking us to find his running speed. So this time, find speed. Then we go back to our triangle again. DST. Speed is distance divided by time. Then again, I want my speed to be in kilometers per hour. If I straight away divide this one, I will get kilometer per minute. Okay? Because they want kilometer per hour, I can divide first, convert later, or just like just now I told you all, separately we convert first. So this time also separately convert first. Distance is in kilometer already, don't need to convert. Time was in minute, but finally I want kilometer per hour, so I will convert my minute to hour first. Convert minute to hour, divide by 60, then I get my hour, or 1/6 hours. Then kilometer per hour, the speed is 2.2, sorry, to be consistent with my previous working, speed is distance divided by time. Write a few more times, then you can remember already. Speed is distance divided by time. Distance is 2.2 kilometer. The time taken is 1/6 hour. Come out, the unit will already be in kilometer per hour. Okay? 13.2 kilometer. Okay, we leave part 3 for tomorrow starting because it's an important idea. Then I also want to spend some time to talk about it. Average speed for the whole distance. So today, go back, please try and look through all these questions. Be familiar with distance, speed, time already. Okay? So that tomorrow we can go faster and start on angles. Thank you, Elijah. Okay, class 10. Okay, we are going a bit faster. I think today very good. All of you looks to be paying attention and listening attentively. Okay, thank you class.